Okay, I like to show you a sukkah over here that you can learn a lot from. This is a kosher sukkah made of 3 walls. Here's one wall right there, second wall right here, and a third wall right here. And let's learn some things from here. First of all, the wall over here is made of what we call lavud. Lavud means the wall, although it's not closed up, but it's less than 3 tefachim from each other. A tefach is a hand size. It's a size of 8 centimeters. So you have over here a tefach and a half. It's less than 3 tefachim. 3 tefachim would be 24 centimeters, according to Rav Chaim Naeh. According to Chazon Ish, it's 10 centimeters. So you have over here a kosher wall. Here's a second kosher wall, and over here is a third one. Now, over here, as you can see, I added a beam because you need to have 10 tefachim from the bottom until here. So I had over here 9 tefachim, and I added one more. Once you have 10 tefachim height, that is already a kosher sukkah. The rest doesn't have to be it doesn't have to reach the schach all the way on top. It's enough up to here. It's already a kosher sukkah. Over here, I didn't add yet the extra beam, so therefore it's not kosher yet because it's not yet 10 tefachim. But that is sufficient as 2 walls right here. Then you have a third wall right here. What's interesting is that on top, as you can see, the schach doesn't get to the wall. But that is kosher because of Dofen Akuma. Dofen Akuma means a crooked wall. This wall is considered to be crooked, and it's kosher up to 4 amot. 4 amot, each amma is a hand, is the size of a hand, and that's way under that amount of 4 amot, and therefore that is a kosher wall. So you have over here 3 walls. You don't need a 4th wall. All you need is 3 kosher walls. You have over here 3 kosher walls. Let's see, what about the schach itself? The schach over here reaches 1 wall, second wall, and over here we added some more bamboos to reach the 3rd wall. In this place over here, there's extra space, and that extra space we need to see if it's kosher or not. So if there's room over here, the space is less than 3 tefachim. So as you can see here, let's say it's 1 tefach, second tefach, there's less than 3 tefachim, it is kosher schach, and you could use that, and it doesn't make any difference. The only problem is you have to make sure that the schach is enough that you don't have more sun than shade, which means you have to have more schach than open space in order to kosher such a sukkah. And if you don't, you still have the room over here. Here you can see there's open space. So therefore, when you have such open space right here, that becomes problematic if it's not if it's less than 3 tefachim, it's fine. If it is more than 3 tefachim, it doesn't reach the dofen, the wall of the sukkah, and therefore you'll be able to use up to here the sukkah. The rest of the place should not be used, especially not by men who are obligated to sit in the sukkah. But we learned over here a few very important halachot. First of all, the din of lavud. Lavud means a closed wall because it's less than 3 tefachim each. The din of dofen akuma. So there's a wall here, and it goes on top, and it crooks. There's a crooked like this. It's considered one of the 3 walls, and it's kosher. We learned that it doesn't have to reach, the wall doesn't have to reach the schach, and we learned that the dofen should be 10 tefachim. So say a tefach is 8 centimeters, as we explained. You'll have to have 80 centimeters wall. Over here needs to add something in order to make it higher, and we learned the dinim of the schach itself, what would be kosher, how much space you can have on top.